From MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm standing here with a 2015 Z3 Tige. This boat is fully loaded with all options. I'm going to take you through the boat and show you what the boat has. It has 50 hours on its 400 horsepower Raptor engine. It has the Tap 3 surf system, 3,500 pounds of ballast. I'm going to give you a little picture of the boat here. Some of the options with the boat, you can see it has the underwater lights. There's the Tap 3 surf system that it has. Moving on up through the boat, we have rear stereo transom remote control. Walking through the walkthrough here. Coming on into the boat. It has 6 wet sound cockpit speakers. We got the wakeboard tower racks. It's got 2 Rev 10 wet sound speakers with illumination. Coming through here, see it has nice cup holders working your way through. This has the AVX screen. This boat also has the lanyard for Surf Link, which is a really fun feature. Heated seats. We got heaters also in the boat. We have defrost. Right here you'll see it has a nice built-in cooler. Nice built-in cooler here. This boat has plenty of storage. Great boat for the family to get out on the lake. Holds 16 people, so you and all your friends can get on out and have a great day on the lake.